Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. Lulu's over here trying to chase away the imaginary squirrels that aren't there, but she hopes they'll be there. Lulu, come on, let's go. So this video is going to be about, let me swipe up, I got a comment from YouTube, let me swipe that up. This video is going to be about early summer gardening, but throughout summer. If you have a compost pile, first of all, let me apologize for the AC in the background. My son's in the house and I don't want to shut the AC off just to film. Regardless, neighbors' ACs are on too, so I can't control that. So back to the video. While you're summer gardening, don't forget one of the most important things to keep watered. It's not just your plants, it's your compost pile. Now, there are, I don't know if there's studies or not, using your own tap water from the city to, let me show you a side. This is about 2 feet underground and currently 3 feet above ground, mixed with all kinds of stuff, including fish heads and fish bodies and other things. Anything, eggshells, real eggs crushed in there, yolks and egg whites and everything. There's might be studies about using tap water, like I said, the chlorine content in there, that it might affect the microbiome or the microorganisms or the bacteria that is growing in your compost pile, the beneficial bacteria, that is. Almost lost my voice there. Jeez, that's tall. I gotta get that out. But what I do, due to the chlorine in the tap water, by the way, but what I do is I put in that blue bucket right over there, I fill it up with water and I leave it for about a day or two, and then I make a hole on top of the compost pile like this. I'll make a hole on top of the compost pile right on the top, then slowly pour in that water and let it fill up into the whole compost pile. And that's what I suggest all of you do as well. I mean, I know that tap water is not that great from the city. Any city, really. Especially if they're chlorinating it, if they're adding fluoride in it. You don't know what that stuff will do, but the fluoride won't evaporate, I don't think. It's the chlorine that will. So yes, you want to definitely try to take the chlorine out of your water before you put it into your compost pile. But that's my main tip about summer. If you have a compost pile, make sure it's watered thoroughly. Don't let it dry out. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.